What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I'm doing my quick go-to makeup for the summer. Now, I can never get ready extremely quickly, okay? The lightest makeup I do is still probably 10 to 15 minutes. Just gonna be honest, I'm slow. I take like 5 minutes to put on mascara because I try to be careful even though I get smudges anyway. Whatever. So this is about a 20-minute makeup look. If you are fast, you might just be able to get this done in 10 or 15. But I do this in about 20 minutes. I only use about 10. Definitely less than 15 products, but I can't remember. So yeah, this is the look I do when I have time to get ready but I want to rush to get out the door. And yeah, this will be my go-to look throughout the summer. Unless I do want a more lightweight, I'll also try to get that video out within this month. My very lightweight, very quick, or quicker than this makeup look. But yeah, if you're interested to see products I use and how I got this look, how I'll be looking all summer long, then you know the deal, you know the drill, you know the vibes. Let's get okay. For a quick on the go, I want to be hydrated and my pores to be filled, and this does both. My nose switches. This is the Benefit Porefessional Hydrating Primer. This is supposed to be really quick makeup. I kind of put a lot. This might be a little bit too much. I'm just gonna put this all over. So there is that product on. I feel hydrated. I feel filled. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky, which is nice because I don't want to be greasy. Next we go into foundation. This is the Purity. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. Just take the dough fill like this and dot it all over. I prefer doing it like this instead of a pump. Because, I don't know, it's quicker. Alright, just like that. Taking my Juno & Co sponge. So cute. Love this. I'm going to blend it out. I'm trying to record like me going fully through this tutorial to see how long this actually takes me. I'm going to take a little bit more foundation around my cheeks and my chin. I really like this foundation because it could be full coverage, but it doesn't look cakey. At least with the amount that I use. I try not to use too much. I probably use the equivalent of 1 to 2 pumps max. It looks like skin. It looks like my regular skin just evened out, completely evened out. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium 90W. This is very nice and hydrating. Oh yeah, and then make sure I get the outer corner right there, bridge of the nose, in between my eyebrows, Cupid's bow, my chin. I like to have that sit a little bit. Just, this is the Jaclyn Hill technique where you let the concealer sit and dry a little bit so you get full coverage, and it's very creamy and hydrating, so it won't dry down too fast, so I'm not worried about dry down time. this just helps it dry a little faster because it is so creamy. I start blending out my chin. This is the look I do when I have some time to get ready, but I do want to rush to get out the door, you know? Make sure I cover my eyelid. Just to even out my veins and discoloration on my eyelids. Okay, there's the concealer on. Now I'm going to take my Sephora Pro 323 brush just to blend out any creasing. I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade 2 Medium to set the under eye really quickly. It's a light set. So I use this to set the chin, around the nose. Going to brush out my forehead creasing, eyelid creasing. I'm going to set my eyelids, my forehead. Quickly set those. Have mercy. Okay, I'm going in with a big powder brush just to set my cheeks where I want to put bronzer, and just a little bit underneath. Just like that. And then I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty Cream blush, Cheeks Out blush in 02 Petal Poppin. Looks like this, very cute and peachy. I'm taking Luxie 512 small contour brush because it's pretty dense. And just apply that on my cheeks. Oh, you know what? I definitely meant to bronze first. Oh my God. There's a pretty little sheen. It's not dewy, this particular shade here. It's not dewy, but it's not matte. I mean, it is a cream product, so. It is a little bit matte because of the powder I already set down, but it's still really pretty. So there's that. I'm going in with this Becca Sunlit bronzer in bronzed Bondi. Looks like neat. It's a little deep, so I don't go in with too much at a time. But it's nice and glowy. Take a little over my nose. I'm not contouring my nose. Down my chin. My neck. I'm going in with this Jaclyn Hill the Flash highlighter palette. Looks like this. Going in with these two shades and then a little bit of the first one. Just mix. Highlight. It just gives a really pretty highlight without emphasizing too much texture. Looks really smooth. Seamless. Okay, skin is done. We'll have to set. But I'm going back in with that bronzer. I'm just going to take a random fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is BH Cosmetics number 5. I'm going to put some of that bronzer on my lid, well, my crease, just for some definition and color. So it's more cohesive. I'm going in with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, Peach. and the skin is done, I'm going to put on eyebrows using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Latte, maybe Java. And then I'm going to set them with Essence Brow Gel. The reason I can never do makeup in like 5 minutes is because eyebrows and mascara takes 10 minutes on its own. Like, I take so much time to put on mascara just for it to smudge anyway. So I tightlined my upper lash line with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner Bold Brown. And mascara, Covergirl Exhibitionist. Gives me length, some volume. I love it. For lips, there's a couple ways I do this. If I just wanted to put on a gloss right now, I would use, if I wanted something light and shimmery, I would use Lunar Beauty lip gloss in Celine. If I want a little bit more tint and pinkiness, I would use Starlight, also Lunar Beauty. But going in with a little bit more today, so I'm going in with Colourpop Lippie Pencil, BFF number 2. So now I'm going in with Lunar Beauty Gloss in Moon. This just amps up the look a little bit, gives a little bit more. So good. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you my quick go-to 20-minute makeup look. I do have like a more 10-minute makeup look. I can't do anything in 5 minutes. The most I could do in 5 minutes is probably curl my lashes and put on a lip gloss, honestly. So I don't think you'll ever see a 5-minute makeup look for me, but definitely something more like 10 minutes I think I can do. I think. I don't know. We'll see. I do have something a little more lightweight and less coverage. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some more looks you want to see from me, what videos you want me to do next. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, I link all my social media down below. I link my card down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.